Hey, good afternoon, guys. My name is Owen from Trade and Train, and I'm just going to give you a quick overview of the Forex markets and one precious metal. This video is going to be a little bit different in the sense that I'm just going to give you the watch list that we're focusing on this week rather than going through just the majors and minors. This week we're focusing our attention on buying Swiss franc, buying Aussie dollar, and one precious metal out of all of them that is our choice this week will be platinum. So we're looking at dollar Swiss, or I should say we're looking at buying Swiss. Now the reason we're looking at dollar Swiss is we've got a nice level here at parity. We've seen the consolidation as we did back here. You'll see here I've got written we've got a COT short signal. So what this means is we've got extreme selling from the commercials, which is one of our conditions in the club that we talk about. And when we see this, then we're looking for technical reasons to trade the market. So we're currently short this and we're looking to add in. We'll be looking to add in if we see a break and close below 99.56, and then we'll be looking for a pullback on a smaller time frame to get short. So dollar Swiss is one we're currently short and we're looking to add in. Another market we're currently short is CAD Swiss. We took this again based off the market coming into major level through here at 78.50s. We saw the market break down. We gave a little rejection candle, so on a smaller time frame double top we shorted the end of day candle, which is running really nice. We took out a little bit of profit on Friday at these lows here. We'll see if we can get a pullback, and if we do, we'll potentially look to scale in on a smaller size position and run this one down. The reason we're trading CAD Swiss a little bit smaller than the other Swiss pairs is because we have a bias that we believe that Canadian dollar is potentially going to strengthen as well, but not at the same rate and knots as the Swiss franc. Then we've got the Swiss yen. Swiss yen came down into a key area. Now in order for us to take any sort of trade here, we're going to have to wait for a pullback, and we'll just be looking at implementing Swiss strength in this market. Let me just remove some of these are from old charts, so we're just going to go up to the weekly time frame so we can pull in key levels that we're looking at that really do stand out. So obviously we can see structure through this point here. You've got resistance becomes support, becomes resistance, becomes resistance, becomes resistance. Next midterm sort of level we're looking at will be through here, which, you know, we're looking more recently, and that's where I'd envisage that the market's going to push up into. So if we don't get a pullback on the weekly or the daily, then, you know, we might find that this market just runs straight up there. So we'll be looking for some intraday moves from sort of 113.35 in this little region here. So this, I don't expect to see some huge gains on this one, but you know, we're just focusing on Swiss strength. So we'll be looking for a move up and a pullback into the sort of 110.50 area and trade that up to 113. If we break through 113, then we'll be looking to run that up towards 118. Pound Swiss, well, pound's obviously been under the pressure recently. It's been selling off quite hard. We've broken through 135s last week on cable, so I expect to see further downward momentum on this chart. We've broken through a key level here, so we'll be watching 135s to get short on pound Swiss, with a lot of downside on this particular market. Moving across to buying Aussie now. So we've seen Aussie, it's going to be clear if we come up to the weekly, and then we can highlight what's actually going on the daily. So if you look at the weekly, what 7,500 was a respected level. What we've seen is the market tried to break through, and it tried to break through again, and you'll see these long wicks down here really tried to push price down, and even with bad news, you'll see that this keeps flashing up because we're currently long. We've already banked first profits on Aussie dollar. Now we'll be looking to see if we can get through that 75.50 area. If we break through 75.50, next stop's going to be up at 8,000. So there's a good 500 points here. Again, this is another commercial trade from our COT analysis. If you do want to know more information about commitment of traders, then all you've got to do is drop us an email to mark@tradeandtrain.com, and you can subscribe to our COT analysis, which is very cheap and very good information. Okay, so that's Aussie dollar. Let's move over to Aussie yen. where charts are just loading up. Okay, so again we've come down into another good structure point. We've seen the market react and break. So now what we want to see is we want to see the market come through this area here, which again we're just looking at key structure points. We break through this sort of area here, expect to see the market push up, pull back, and we should see 89 touched. For the aggressive traders, the intraday traders, expect to see a pullback maybe into 82.50, and then you can look to run that up towards 84. So looking to buy any pullbacks on Aussie yen. You can see the inverted head and shoulders. Here's our neckline. We'll be looking to see the market close above this level, and we'll trade it from 84 all the way up to 89. So again, another good profit. 500 pips on the table here. So you can see last week pound Aussie, or be about 10 days ago now, we had a lovely trade here, banking just over 4% in a couple of days. We took an intraday trade, highlighted here, 4-hour chart, straight down, hit target, bang, thank you very much. We were looking to see if pound is going to react off this level here, but since then conditions have changed. Pounds broken through 135. Aussie dollars now got serious buying from the commercials, so we're expecting to see a break through this level. If we break through this level, we'll be using 179.40, 179.50 to be looking to get short, and then expect to see that run down to the 173s, 172. So pound Aussie is looking great. Chart of the week, I think, in my opinion, is going to be platinum. We'll be looking to get long platinum, depending how aggressive you want to be. This is a COT signal long again. We've got a beautiful technical level. If you're more aggressive, you can substantially increase your return by bringing your stops underneath the low of last week's candle, and that'll bring your return into about an 8.5 to 1. If you want to put it underneath the lows of 2017, well then that'll take it down to about a 4.5 to 5 to 1. Depending how aggressive and how far you want to run this chart. Okay, so that's it from Trade and Train and our detailed watch list this week. If you'd like to know more about how we get into the trades, how we manage the trades, well then, there's two things you can do. One is join our club. The club provides you with 6 live trading sessions every week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday evenings, and Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday mornings. It's for less than a price of a cup of coffee a day. If you really want to develop your trading skills, then the best thing to do is implement. And we have an abundance of implementation, development videos, everything's recorded, so even if you do get to miss one of the webinars, you get to see it within a couple of hours of the webinar finishing. The other thing we have is we've got a private Facebook group for our members to implement, and then we have a 24/7 messenger group where we share our analysis and charts and trades that we take here at Trade and Train for you to see exactly what we do. When we lose, you see. When we win, you see. It's very, very transparent. There's no, oh, we win every single trade, because I don't believe in that. But anyway, guys, that's it. Have a great weekend. If you do like our videos, you do like our analysis, and you want to be part of the club, first thing to do is hit like, share, and subscribe. That's free on YouTube, and that way you get every video as it's uploaded straight to your inbox. Never miss a video. Alternatively, like I said, if you do want to be a member of our club, I'll drop a link in the comments below, and all you do, just follow the links, and we'll see you in the club next week. Enjoy your Sunday.